Some of you were asking, can I have this food if it's not on the food list? If it's not on the food list, I want to challenge you not to ask the group. And the reason I want to challenge you not to ask the group is because I want you to start Googling. I know you're like, wait, why am I Googling if I hired you to tell me how to eat? Boom, boom. Because you also joined the group and hired me for me to teach you how to eat and for me to teach you mindset and for me to train your mindset to go from old habits into new habits. And the way to do that is when you go on Google to find out, can I have kale, right? Because kale is not on the list. When you read information about kale, you're going to be like, oh, wow, I had no idea this about kale. Because it gives you a long description to teach you about kale. And it's not just about kale, it's about whatever you want to eat, right? Why isn't dairy on there, right? Why not? And so I could tell you why not, but it's going to be a really long answer. So what helped me when I started is the coach I had never talked to me. I couldn't even ask him anything. And because I felt uncomfortable and I couldn't ask him and he didn't talk to me and he didn't go on video, he didn't even call me, he didn't text me, he didn't email me, he did absolutely nothing but give me the meal plan and said, have a good day, email me on Friday to check in. And I was like, what? Where's my food list? There's no food list. There was nothing but a meal plan. And so because I was shocked that where's my creamer, where's my, I love pasta, where's my pasta, where's any other vegetable, like where's my tomatoes, why is there only cucumber? It was only cucumber, spinach, and broccoli. That's it. Like, where's the rest of the vegetables? Why is there only these 3 vegetables, right? And so because we didn't talk, I had to Google because I didn't know what else to do. Kind of like going back to 1980 when we didn't have any cell phones, right? And we had to go to the wall to call our friend, right? We just had to figure it out how to communicate with our friends because we didn't have a cell phone. So this is the same thing. What I realized I did is I put myself through some mindset training to learn why can't I have this other food. So you are lucky that you have a food list and you're lucky that you have 2 meal plans because I did all of that for you. Because when he gave me my meal plan, I'm like, I can't live like this. This is not sustainable life. I do want other things. And so I did start Googling and learning why certain things are not on there. So I created the food list and the meal plan for you with the best, highest fiber so you don't get stuck because you have to have 25 grams of fiber per day. It has the best fruit to eat, but it also shows you how much sugar it has just in case you do decide to want to eat other fruit. And same thing with the protein. So I put the top best foods to give nutrients into your body, right? Feed you healthy food, help you go so you don't get stuck. And then if you want something that's not on the list, you have to smash the goal of eating only from the freaking list. It's week 1. Stop trying to veer off. Stop getting off the yellow brick road until your mind smashes the goal of looking at the paper and eating what's in front of you only. Like this. It says here 45 jumping jacks. And then am I going to tell you to do 50 jumping jacks? Like, no, we're just going to the paper. It says tilapia, 4 ounces, not 2 ounces, 4, okay? Same thing. You have to smash the paper goal in the first 30 days. Once you have your aha moment, a light bulb in your head, then you can start introducing other food. But first, you have to let me teach you. If you don't want me to teach you, I won't teach you. Okay? If you want to eat food that's not on the list, then don't bother asking, just eat it, right? But you have to, if you want to see success, that a lot of us have success, you gotta smash that goal first. That's just the way it is, sister. Hate the messenger. Don't hate the messenger, hate the game. I did not invent science. I did not invent this food.